Here's a clip from my original video that shows when I turn the unit on, the left-hand meter just gets buried all the way to the right. So I'm going to go after trying to repair that, and we'll start with the meter board. So I'm going to start by recapping the meter board because there seems to be some issues with it, so I'm going to start with that. And in order to do that, I had taken the bottom plate off, took the top plate off, took the wood accent sides off on either end so I didn't scratch those up, pulled the shafts out for these control knobs and the button off of this one, the 3 buttons off on the bottom, and then unscrewed and just moved this plate forward a little bit so we could get access to this. These wires just appear to be pushed into a terminal, and then hopefully the push connector will allow this to move up. Oh, that one was soldered. So just got 3 radial capacitors up here and then 2 down here that I'm going to change, and we'll get back. So I've removed those 3 10 microfarad capacitors, and we'll install the new ones. Okay, we got those 3 capacitors installed, and I've got 2 more to do. So I've got the other 2 capacitors installed. Those were 5 microfarad. I put in 4.7s. These were 10s. And then I always go back and clean up the bottom of the board after that's done, and we're ready to reinstall. So now hopefully it's just a matter of reinstalling it. And I think we'll put it back together and give it a try. And I would say this is where I think the problem was. This is a 10 microfarad capacitor, and as you can see, it's reading 0. Okay, we're sort of back together. Let's give it a try. Ooh, I like that. Before, this meter would go all the way over and then it would come back very slowly.